Hello friends, I am back with another quick and easy recipe of veg pizza. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe for more such videos and hit the bell icon to get the new uploads notification. Let's get started. All you're gonna need is this. Spread the mayo onto your pizza base. Then spread tomato sauce and Szechuan pizza sauce. Add toppings, that is sliced onions, tomatoes, sliced capsicums and shredded cabbage. Cover your pizza with shredded mozzarella cheese and sprinkle red chili flakes and oregano, or if you have pizza herbs then go for it. Bake the pizza in convection mode for 20 minutes on 200 degrees centigrade. And here is the result: tasty and hot pizza. Thanks for watching.